Part 1 of Flood. Oh! Notifications are off at the same time. That's weird. Oh, maybe it was the family group chat. Yeah. What? Oh my god, kids! What? What, Mom? What happened? There's a flood warning. We're gonna, you need to do something. What? All the older kids freak out. The little kids don't know what's happening. What's a flood? Oh wait, this kid isn't. This person is. What the flood? Yeah, is it bad? I'm scared now. Oh no. We just have to go to the 3rd floor. Everyone in. Oh my god, no! Don't shut. I don't want you to shut. Okay, we have to go to the 3rd floor. Actually, where's the dad? I'm gonna sit down here so I can go grocery shopping. Okay. Okay, let's go to here. Okay, this is kind of the safest room since, we're not going in the girls' room and definitely not near the pool. Why is it the sunset mode, bruh? I want it to be daytime, not nighttime, not sunset. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go grocery shopping now. Okay. Okay, I'm at the store. Hey, I just would like to buy some stuff, please, since there's a flood warning. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Let's get some potatoes. Got the triple flow potatoes and lettuce on bread. So let's get some lettuce. I'll get some of that, some carrots. Let's get a tomato seeds. Let's get a pizza, thing. Get in this bag, you for free pizza. Get in the bag. Get in the bag. Actually, why is it not going in the bag? Okay, let's put my phone in the bag and then carry the pizza. Perfect. Okay, let's get some sauce. Ow. Get that. Jelly, potato chips. Why does the need to go in the bag? It's okay, I can just test this. Froze. We don't need a pizza. I'll just eat it right now. You really do that? Like, okay, now let's get this. Hey, give me a bag, you feel free, girl. Now I want cereal. Let's get milk for the cereal. Strawberry milk. Chocolate milk. Let's get cheese. Let's get this thing and this. This cooks them even without it being hooked up to Wi-Fi. So if we lose power, I need it. I should have brought someone with me. I'll just hide it and come back for it. Oh, guys, I just threw that away. Okay, we're just gonna grab something else instead for it. This cooks stuff even without being hooked up to Wi-Fi. So I'll just leave that right there and hope that no one takes it. Oh, this is just a toy I ordered. Oh, what if I get the Barbie for the little girls? But then the boy would want something. But then the girls would have to share, and they wouldn't want to share, so let's get those. But then the teenager wants something. I'll get the teenager girl. One of these, because she is obsessed with these little balls. I can't carry it. Okay. I would like to check them. Okay, here's your card. This $10 cash, please. That's not enough. Yes, it is. No, it's not. It is. No, it's not. Maybe you should open your mouth right. I will murder you until you can leave you alone by $10. Oh my god, okay. Perfect. Good job, robots. Why is it beeping? Why is it beeping? Well, you didn't pay the full play. You didn't pay the full play. Guys, I can't speak today. I'm here. Hello, I got the food and I got something for the little kids for later when they get scared. I'm gonna go to the big pool and no one will know. Where's Charlie? I'm down. I'm here. Get in here now, you rat. I was gonna run. Okay, everyone get up here. What should be Why does it look like this? Okay, fast forward 20 minutes. I'm too lazy to do the rain thing, so we're not gonna use it. Oh my god, it's pouring. We have to evacuate. Let's go 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 evacuate. Yeah. Guys, I wish it wasn't 0, 1, 2, 3. I wish it was 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, who agrees? Like, okay, let's go. The moment I realized I clicked the wrong floor. We have to go evacuate. Proceed, walk at an advanced manner. Oh, what did that mean? I'm just gonna throw this. Throw. See, she doesn't need it. If she's too lazy to carry it herself, she doesn't need it. Did we forget anyone? Where's Mom? David and the mom. Oh. Right back here. Did again, too lazy to do the rain thing. Let's go. Bye. Hold up. I'm here to make sure you guys don't have anything dangerous on yet. Only y'all guys' phones, only 2 phones. Nothing else. You guys are probably going to be staying here for like 5 days. Oh, don't worry. We'll just go back to the house if we need our food. Oh, okay, but that's kind of dangerous. We don't care. Oh, the first one's here. That's shocking. Because the flood hasn't started yet. So, it's basically just rain right now. The flood really hasn't started. Okay, so I guess we get to choose our spots first. I guess, I sit here. I'll sit here. And we'll all go over here. They wait like 30 minutes. Mom, Dad, why is it only old people and toddlers? Yay, other toddlers. I gonna make friends. Hi, wanna be friends? Yeah. Let's go play. Okay. Hey, Mommy, you trying to take me? Let go, my son. Kicks in the face. Let's play. Yeah. Let's find something to play with. Little brother catches a thing to check each other's heartbeat. Play doctors or something. I take your heartbeat. Dang, your heartbeat fast. Let me check yours. This is so fast. The security guard's away. How about let's go sneak out and let's go find an actual doctor kit. So then we can actually play doctors. Yeah. Okay, let's go. I know a store that has them. We just have to find money there because there's always money hidden. Okay, back here's the doctor kit. Hey, sir. Yeah? No. Oh, okay. This is the syringe we need. This is the box, but it doesn't actually open it. Oh, okay. But the syringe is an actual syringe. Okay. We like to steal this. Run! Run for your life. Bang, 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 that's it. Oh my god, that sounds like our son and his friend. What were you guys doing out here? There's literally a flood. You go to your grandma. You're so grounded. Look who was outside with their friend. What? Why was the little kid out there that belonged? Brother! Oh, why were you out there? I'm sorry, I went to play Dr. But you have this. Oh, you're not supposed to run. I didn't have this stuff, so I went to the door with Enzo. And we got the stuff. And it's an actual syringe. Let me test it on you. Oh! Ah! Let me hide now. Okay, guys. Okay, pretend it's like flooding. The door bursts open and the water spills everywhere. What? Ah! They all drowned and died. I'm joking. Oh my god, what? I shut it. Yeah. I shut it. Boom, more burst open. Ah! 30 minutes later, floods the whole entire room. How are you gonna get out? Kids, I don't care. Just get lost, I don't care. Just be safe. On accidentally trips and no one notices. Ow. Exit is mandatory. Everyone needs to exit. Because this room will continue to flood because the door broke this time. The door breaks like a fall. It falls and breaks. And now it's stuck closed. Help! I'm stuck in here. Oh my god, that's my daughter. She's stuck in there. Everyone needs to do it. I don't care if you toddlers. My toddler could open it and shut it all by himself, okay? You all helping me get my daughter out of there. No, we don't want to do that. You will get my sister out of there or I'll beat you up. I will get her out by myself. Everyone move! Oh my god, okay. Everyone, you listen to my daughter. She will get mad. She will get really mad. If anyone doesn't move, I will bite you. Oh, that wasn't supposed to open yet. If anyone doesn't move, I will bite you. Sister, are you really gonna bite? Daughter, are you really gonna bite me? Yes. I will if they don't move so I can save my sister's life. Like, duh, it's flooded. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh my god, sis, you got me open. What? How did she do that? Honestly, I thought my daughter couldn't do that. You said what? You didn't think I could do what? Huh? Agreed. Oh, it stopped flooding. Oh. Yay. Okay, guys, that will be the end of the roleplay. I know it was a chaotic, not good one. That good, but like, it's okay, right? Anyway, check out my next roleplay or the one before this. I really loved that roleplay. And if you can't find it on my channel for some reason, I don't know, well then it's called Moving to Our LA Mansion, or like LA Mansion, or Moving, or whatever it was. I don't care. Just look at the video before this one, okay, on my long form videos. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!